Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on full screen. To start, you will need to access your device's main display settings. This is usually found within your phone's General Settings menu. Once there, look for options that control screen resolution, aspect ratio, or full screen apps. Making sure your device's operating system is updated to its latest version can also help ensure compatibility and the best possible display options for your gaming experience. Next, open the Brawl Stars application itself. Once inside the game, tap on the three lines icon, typically located in the top right corner, to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. Within the game settings, look for sections related to display, graphics, or screen. You might find a specific toggle or option to enable full screen mode, especially on devices with unique screen shapes like notches or punch holes. Many modern smartphones feature unique screen designs, such as notches or punch holes. To optimize your full screen experience, check your device's specific display settings for options that allow apps to utilize the entire screen area, often called full screen apps or notch display. If built-in options are insufficient, consider exploring reputable third-party applications that offer custom screen scaling or aspect ratio adjustments for individual games. Experiment with these settings to find what works best. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your device and the Brawl Stars game can often resolve minor display glitches and apply new settings effectively. If problems persist, try clearing the game's cache through your device's app settings. This can fix corrupted display data without losing game progress. For the most immersive experience, aim for a consistent aspect ratio that fills your screen without stretching or cropping the game's visuals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.